Hello everyone, I am Tarek Jamil from Tarek 360 YouTube channel. Welcome back to my another new video. In this video, I'll show how to use solo ads from Udimi. What is solo ads? Solo ads is a special types of traffic delivered from email marketing. People who have email list, they send traffic to your website and you can get leads, product sales and etc. So Udemy is one of the top platform for solo ads, buy solo ads and sell solo ads. So we are going to the details tutorial about udemy.com. So let's start. I'm already logged in onto my Udemy account. Is the dashboard of Udemy account. So how to find the perfect seller for your funnel or for your website to get product leads? So at first you should click on find sellers. So click on find sellers and you will see that details to many list of the sellers. You must filter the list from here. So click on visitor. If you how much minimum visitors do you want to for your uh, website or product. uh, I already selected it is selected 50 by default. Okay, price range, how much price per click do you want? At least 75 is work better for you. It's the minimum 40 cents and 95 cents is the maximum. So I'm clicking on 75 cents. Okay, going back, I already clicked on here. Okay, now got sales. You have to click on at least 30% sales. The sellers, the solo ads buy it from the solo ads who bought these solo ads at least got 30% of them got sales. Okay, niche, you can select any niche here or you can specify the niche. Okay, now I'm seeing the list of the solo ad dealers. At first click on here. He has 43% sales rate. Okay, and 20% repeat customers. Average time it takes for the seller to accept an order is 2 hours. How much email list he has? We can see here he has 750 list maximum. You can select minimum 100 visitors, order 100 visitors from these sellers, and he is charging 59 cents per click. Okay, now we can see the review here. Good solo, no sales yet, he has got sales. Perfect solo ad run, got sales. Looking to forward to my next run. Many of them got sales. So we must select at least 30% people got sales. Okay, now I'm going to the main part here. Base filter, it prevents the junk, useless email and duplicate traffic. Okay, it's selected by default. Now click on prime filter. If you want to get many high quality traffic, you can select the prime filter. It will cost 3 cents more per visitors. Okay, now click on only top tier. If you want to get visitors only from USA, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, top tiers country. If you have products at higher cost, you can select this, or you can select don't select it if you have not product have higher cost. So if you have higher cost product, you can select here. It will cost 10 cents more per visitors. Okay, only mobile. If you have products only related to mobile, you can select it here. Or if you don't want to promote on mobile, you can click on it. It also charges 10 more cents per visitor. Okay, if you filter everything, it will charge 85 USD for 100 visitors. If you have an ad text, you can write down here, but if you want to promote by website, deselect it and write down the website name here. Suppose I am promoting my sales funnel page. I have not bought any domain. You can also add domain here. I already shown how to add domain on ClickFunnels sales funnel in my previous video. Okay, copy the link and paste it here, then click on add to cart. After adding to cart, you can order the solo ads from these sellers. You can give message to the sellers if you need any question about your website or product is. You can see the details of this seller here. 90% plus, T1 minimum, high quality traffic directly from my list only. Here I have email list, maximum 750 visitors we already seen here. Fresh and responsive list, and add hundreds of new lists daily, buyers included, over delivery. You will get around 10% over delivery. That means if you order for 100 visitors, you will get around 110 visitors. Free professional landing page. He will create landing page for you if you buy 1000 clicks. Okay. That's good. Okay, we can see more solo deals here. You can see the solo deals from here, but we are not filtering right now this method. We are filtering by find sellers method. Okay, if you want more sales rate from here, you can click here, 50% sales, 4 sellers found. If you want to reduce the price, click on 65 cents. Okay, price is reduced and sellers are filtered here. You can see the ratings. He has 1095 ratings. We can see his profile. He is charging 65 cents per click. And if you use prime filters, only top tier, only mobile, he is charging 91 USD per 100 visitors. Okay, he has 18% repeat customers. Average times he accept offer is 1 hour. Okay, I missed a thing that when you want to start your deals. Okay, today is 11 September. He can start right now from today, or you can select another date when you start your solo ads. Okay, you can select from here. Also message the seller right now. Okay, we can see his review. Got sales, thank you for high quality traffic. I got good leads and sales. No sales. He has also got high quality traffic but no sales yet. He is hoping sales for in future. Okay, we can see the average traffic geography. He sent traffic 100% from top tier countries. If he send 100% top tier countries visitors, you don't need to select only top tier. Most of the sellers send traffic to most of them are top tier countries. If you click on, if you filter, that is good for you if you want to promote them on top tier countries only. Okay, featured click 16% for prime featured click on prime filters. Who has selected prime filters, they got featured clicks. Okay, after completing everything, you can add to cart and order. Okay, that's good. If you want to create an account on Udimi and get solo deals, solo ads for your website, product, or and get leads, you can sign up through my referral link and you will get instant $5 discount if you order more than $70 solo ads. That's all for today. If you have any question regarding to Udemy or any digital marketing problem, you can write down the comment below and ask your question. Like, comment and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking, comment and share. Thanks everyone.